Welcome everyone, hope you're well. Quick video today. I wanted to make my seat quick release. So I know you can buy some stuff from 3D Cycles which makes it quick release, but I ended up getting some myself. I just had a look at the stock one, the stock bolts that are in there, how long they are. You keep all the internal part and everything, and then I just got some from Amazon, some little twist things. So we'll have a look at those and see how they work. So I found it a bit annoying having to get under your seat by using an Allen key, because under the seat in theory it's my pump and some ratchet straps and a toe strap, things you won't need to get to your tools to get out if you get to the seat easy. So I grabbed these. So these are nice little ones, and it looks like it's got the right amount of length, and just twist on ones. So 4 for like maybe $10 or something like that on Amazon. I'll post what they were. So we'll have a look at taking them off, take the seat off now and show the parts that were on there standard and what we're going to use. So you just need your little 4mm to get rid of your key, to get rid of your seat. So these just undo. And we'll have a look at, because we're actually using all the grommet and all that sort of stuff. We're really just changing over the bolt itself. So we want all this stuff. So that's obviously the length we've got. So that's our little bushing and everything, and that's the length of our bolt. So we'll have a look at the one we've got. That's the original. This is the one we've got. So our length is spot on. I checked that. I've looked at the parts manual and checked the schematic as far as our length and pitch and all that sort of stuff. So hopefully it fits pitch-wise, so we'll give it a bit of a go. Obviously that all slides over there. It's keeping all the original, rubber and all that sort of stuff, and the bushing. So we can get enough tension on these for what we need to do for putting a motorbike seat on, because it doesn't need to be, there's not many stresses on there really. So we'll have a go at seeing if she fits on. So moment of truth, we fit in behind the pannier fine, so that's all good. All goes in, our thread and pitch seems fine. And she's all going in okay, so far so good. Oh. Going in. Is it all the way in? That might be all the way in, but the bit of pushing, let me see. They're touching here, so I might need to put my own little extra spacer on here. So just touching in here, which we don't really want it to. So we'll see what we can do about that. We'll have a bit of a look. Okay, scratch that, it was all fine. I didn't think it was tightening right up, so it touches on here ever so slightly, which is fine, but I'm able to get that is full tension on there and tight. So I'm happy enough with that without putting any extra spacing. It can touch on here ever so slightly if it needs to. That's fine. So that's all in and done. So we'll do the other side, and then you've got a simple quick release. Obviously I'll keep an eye on them, but the fact it's going in there nice and tight with the rubber and everything, I don't think it's going to loosen off. We'll end this video there. So that's a very quick and easy upgrade for your seat, quick release. So if you like this video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. I've got some other videos of some other parts and tank bag and all that I've just got recently. I'll upload those shortly. So cheers, have a good day.